Okay, exit ticket follow-up. If you recall, you were given this graph, or table, chart, words, and you're asked to find the value of k. The way to find k is simply that these four numbers have to add up to 1. So I worked that out down here. I said a third and a fourth and k and a fifth is equal to 1. I found a common denominator. You could have transferred to decimals. That would have been fine. But you should eventually get that k is 13 out of 60, or about 0.216. And on that one, people did pretty well. 15 out of 28 of you got that correct. 8 out of 28 got that incorrect. 2 people just said that they were confused. And then there were 3 people who just did not answer. And that could be that they didn't answer. I know at least one person had to leave early. And then the second one said, what is the probability of getting a sum of 4 after 2 rolls? And I think this could be argued a couple different ways. A lot of these incorrect answers, people just said 1/5. And I think that was them probably answering a little bit too quickly, because it's after 2 rolls. Well, you can't roll a 0. Like 0 is not an option here, and that's one of the things you need to interpret. So you'd either have to get a 1 and a 3, or 2 2s, or a 3 and then a 1. So the way to calculate this is take probability of a 1 times probability of a 3. So this is getting a 1 and a 3, or getting a 2 and a 2, or getting a 3 and then a 1. Add all of those probabilities together, you'd get 149 out of 720, or 0.207. 6 people got that completely correct. 17 people got that incorrect, but again, some of those were just like reading too quickly. Again, 2 people just were confused, and then 3 people didn't answer. I'm mostly giving you this so you can kind of see where you're sitting within the class. Obviously, this is an indication to me that we should spend some time talking about this kind of stuff. And even here, I'd like that to get a little bit higher. But yeah, let me know if you've got questions.